Man, dude, fucking Chicago. Almost 3 feet of snow and it's still coming. Look at that. It's my stairs after we spent a few hours shoveling. Look at this shit. Everyone's working hard as hell to get their cars out. Fire hydrant. This is the house. Back way. Look at this. This guy working super hard to get that van out. Let me. Oh, damn. Just fell into like 3 feet of snow over here. It's intense. I don't think anyone's going for a while. Damn. Let's go in the back. Show you. Oops. Wrong house. It's fucking ridiculous. I spent a while this morning trying to get this all cleared out. And this was filled with snow that I put over here. It's fucking ridiculous. Look at this. It's the highest point right here. Oh wow, it's my dad. It's angry.
That's crazy, ain't it?
Hell yeah. It's ridiculous.